Okay, here we are in the park. I'm Uncle Hans, back again to talk about Chinese characters. In China, we have a festival called Qingming Festival, which means the Tomb Sweeping Festival. For thousands of years, Chinese have worshipped their ancestors. And part of this is to clean their graves. So there's two words I'll talk about today, Qing and Ming. The first word is Qing, which means basically clean, to clean up. And you notice on the left-hand side, you'll have a water. Of course, water has to do with cleaning up. Originally, it meant something that was very dilute, but now it means cleaning up. On the right-hand side, you have another character called Qing. That's a phonetic. And if you look at this character, it originally meant dark green. And if you look at the way this character evolves, the Qing, if you look at the modern character, you see what looks like a moon at the bottom. This is quite new. It's only been here for about 100 years. And before that, you had this other character you see on the bottom. And before that, you had a slightly different character. On the top, you have a sheng, which is a kind of a plant. And on the bottom, you eventually see in the seal characters that it is a well, jing. So the Qing, the bottom part is a well, and that's a phonetic. The top part is a plant, sheng, and that indicates that it's something green. And you notice that the well has a dot in the middle. In modern times, the well, jing, does not have a dot. But during the seal character times, they put a dot in it. Before that, they didn't have a dot. It was just a picture of a well. The character Ming is a little different. It means bright. And on the left-hand side, in the modern character, we see what appears to be a sun, but it doesn't actually come from sun. It actually comes from a character Zhong, which you may recognize. This Zhong actually comes from the character for window. So the early character for Ming had a window and a moon. That's because in ancient times, people, if it got too dark, people just had to go to sleep. They couldn't do anything. But if they had a full moon, it would shine through the window and create a lot of light, and you could see what you were doing. So that's the origin of the character Ming. So Qingming means to clean up the grave. One of the things they do on Qingming Festival is to burn paper money that is supposed to go to the gods and help the ancestors out in the next life. Although this festival has been celebrated since ancient times, for about 2,500 years at least, it's only been an official holiday here in China since 2008. And we all get 3 days off, so we're going to have fun and rest a while. I'm Uncle Hans. Glad you could be with me today. Hopefully you'll join me next time.